As we got the package from Sensodyne store. The package is quite good condition, and inside that package should be Kahf face wash and 3 Sensodyne repair. This is the prices. Okay, first let's open the package. Okay. See inside. Wow, the package is very careful. Good. And this is inside. As you can see, this is a Sensodyne. Another Sensodyne. And Kahf. Okay, we now remove the boxes. This is Kahf face wash. Have to balance with the barcode. Halal. And this is mild formulation, dermatology tested. Face wash. You can open the seal in here. For safety on the trip. And this is the Sensodyne. This is for repair your teeth. And this is a expired date. If you open the package, oh, this has a glue in here. To protect the inside. The glue is very thick. To protect inside. And this is it. Sensodyne, imported by Haleon. It's seal inside, so it's extra safe. Sensodyne. And let's see the Kahf. Oh, it's directly you open the packages. Can we open the top lid? Oh, cannot. Okay, perfect. Oh yes, I will open this first. After we open this, you can see the inside of toothpaste is like this. Put it again. This is a toothpaste. You can use exactly on your toothbrush. And this is the Kahf. Let's see. Molecule. Oh, it's so hard. Push it. Yeah. This is it. Thank you for watching.